So how to use FFmpeg extension in Audacity? So how to use FFmpeg extension in Audacity? So if you are also getting trouble, or if you are also getting problem with this problem in Audacity, then you can do this one. So first of all, you have to go into google.com. Okay, just go in the google.com. Then after that, you have to type Audacity FFmpeg download. Then after that, you will get few results, and just you have to click in the first link, that is installing FFmpeg. So it means the FFmpeg allows you to import and export additional audio file format into from Audacity. Okay, so now here you will get a link. So just you have to click in this link, that is lem.buanjo.org, and then after that you will get in this page. So now you can see here there are few links available. The first one is for the 64-bit Windows, and the second one is for 32-bit Windows, and the third one is for the Mac operating system. But in this in my case, I'm using the 64-bit Windows operating system, so that's why I'm clicking in the first link. Okay, that is for the FFmpeg 5.0.0. Okay, so now we can see here the file is downloaded, and the file size is only 8.2 MB. And after that, you have to install the software. Then after that, you can import the audio files from your video directly. Okay, then after that, you can easily edit that audio from your video. Okay, thank you so much for watching this video.